Hello, welcome to my presentation about my Photoshop prototype and the Twitter and Facebook customizations. As you can see on the screen right now, I went with the fixed sidebar. I felt that it was very easy and accessible to people with low mobility in their hands, so that's why I chose it. As you can see, my media type is hydropower, like the water wheel and the dam. I felt that it was something I enjoy, and I felt like if I was to pursue a different career, this would it be in the future. So I went with this design, as you can see here, with the nav bar that would be situated on the website always, and I felt that it could be it could always show like the home, newsletter, projects, renewable energies, and about us. So like projects would be like new projects. So if you hit show all, it will take you to a different website where projects are. But if projects is what you want to go to immediately, then you can hit right here. And then renewable energies, I felt like they would use this to display upcoming technologies and water based solutions that will provide us better energy. And newsletters is like projects they're working on, projects they're planning on working on. And I felt that would be make it an expressive website, and I felt that'd be good. We got the contact information down here where you can get them at all their social medias that I felt like that are easy access and bold enough for people to see that have limited vision, right? And then you got the latest projects that are present and bold and with the dark out background so you can see them better with white text. And welcome to Hydrotech. Now moving on to my Facebook screenshots. I felt that I went with flat colors for the logo and background because I felt that it didn't need to be overly detailed for what they're trying to get across. I felt that we got their point across very well with these decisions, and I think it shows very well in this Facebook page. Moving on to the Twitter page. The Twitter page has similar things and tighter is very tighter, but I felt that this shows off so much, but it shows off just enough so that you will know what they're about and what they're looking towards for a better future, obviously powered by water. So I would love to hear your opinions on this. I thank you for your time, and I will be seeing you later. Bye.